Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and we are absolutely nailing all levels lately. It is going very well. If you remember Friday's video, or at least I said, do I have a brilliant entry or are my shorts trapped right now? Well, the answer is I most likely had a very brilliant entry. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Before we're going to dive into the charts, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Those links are also in the description. I post there pretty much multiple times per day, and today I had a few very important tweets, so definitely check that out a few times a day. Now without further ado, let's start diving into the chart so I can show you exactly what I mean. And if you remember correctly, we talked about BTC USD pair 4-hourly chart right here, where I said I am going to build up my shorts here on that golden pocket, and the golden pocket is then the retracement up here from this move, and if that happens, then we establish ourselves a lower high change of market structure and we are going lower. My ultimate target to the downside is something that we reached just earlier today, which is just shy of 21,000, knowing 20,800 to 20,970, the golden pocket of the retracement from this move up here to what is it, approximately 24,000, and said if we want to have a sustainable ride to the upside, then at some point we need to retrace a little bit, cool down. Then my ultimate target would be the golden pocket, like I said, just shy here of 21k. Why is that again the preferred level? Well, not only because it's the golden pocket, but also because we would clear a few very important support levels, and everyone will be thinking, that was a fake move all the way up to 24k, now we're going to the bottom. That will trap a lot of short traders, and then we are just moving to the upside. That will be absolutely amazing. Now, few things, of course I can be wrong, so in case we are going down, we need to be prepared for both scenarios. To be honest guys, I don't really matter if we're going up and down, I just want to see movement. But if we're going down, then we need to be prepared for what are the next levels. The next one is this red line, that's the point of control, 20,500-ish. I'm gonna be honest, I think if we are losing the golden pocket, I think we're just going down. We will see some kind of reaction from this point of control. There will be some kind of bounce or whatever, but I think eventually we will then drop down and then visit these lows here again. The value area low, approximately 19,200, 19,300. That is also kind of shy of the support and resistance box that we already draw earlier, so I would not be surprised that we're going to hit it. So maybe then like a break here off that golden pocket through against the point of control, maybe a bounce up back to the golden pocket, going down and then just visiting those lower levels. And then the move to 24k was nothing more than just a big move to the upside, bit of a fake out, and then we're going back into the price range that we established already a few weeks earlier. Now, let's say that we are moving from now to the upside, which of course is very much possible. Then what are the levels on the upside that I'm looking out for? Well, there are two important levels. Of course, also here we are going to use, very simple, the FIB retracement tool again, because if this thing bounces up, then we have a golden pocket here on the upside from this move again to the upside, which is then laying somewhere between 22,975 and 23,000. So this is an important level to breach once we really start pumping to the upside again. Next one, of course, is the top. We need to break it, and then we can go to higher levels. That will be absolutely amazing. Then it's just textbook play from the moment that we started off here, to the moment that I said, hey, listen, we need to cool off, this is going too fast, don't get too excited yet. Again, check out just all the YouTube videos that I made in the last week or week and a half. They're all lined up perfectly with the price action that we're seeing. I'm telling you exactly what I'm hoping to see, and all of it is coming to fruition, so absolutely perfect. One disclaimer, I took some profits off my short trade because now we hit all my targets. We also had a golden pocket here along the way that was at 21,900. That is the FIB retracement. If you pull it all the way here from the top to this point of control, then you can see then we're hitting it approximately at 21,900. There I took some profits, and later on as well. So absolutely amazing trade, very happy with it, and now we just have to see what we are getting. Dollar index real quick. I thought actually, to be honest, yesterday, this looks like we want to go roll over, then we're going down. That will be also perfectly the fuel for BTC to then move up, because as you know, BTC, if the dollar index is dumping, BTC is pumping, and the other way around. But that doesn't happen. The last few 4 hourly candles, as you can see, we are going higher. That will mean that maybe there's more room to the downside for BTC. And now you know what I'm looking at. I think if we're going to lose the golden pocket in a matter of time before we are really going to test the lows of the range. Today is Tuesday. It is a big week this week with all the news and all the stuff that's coming out. We have a lot of earnings here, as you can see. Microsoft, Apple, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, General Motors. But also the home prices are coming out and the consumer confidence. Those numbers and reports will definitely move the markets. Yesterday we had kind of a flat day, to be honest. 0.2, 0.1 and a minus of 0.4 for the Nasdaq, so it's kind of flat. And for the pre-market, it looks like we are opening just a little bit lower, not tremendously. It could be that a lot of traders are saying, you know what, everyone is looking at this Wednesday, what is the Federal Reserve in the United States going to do? Are they going to raise the interest rates? And yes, with what is then the percentage? And maybe after that comes out, you see a lot of money flowing into the market, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then still a lot of price movement will still come to play, kind of what you then have been quote unquote missing out on Monday and Tuesday. That could be, because to be honest, I expected a little bit more firework yesterday for the United States markets. Let's see, maybe we're getting it today. But if yesterday is kind of then the prediction for what we can find today in the markets, then it probably will be a little bit slow. Real quick on the indicators, just a few things that I want to show you. The money flow looks like it's almost going to zero, and I'm making this a little bit bigger in your screen so you can see it. It looks like, if we're lucky, that the money flow is curving up to the upside and then bouncing off the zero line. That would be nice. It looks like we're also now creating a green dot here on the momentum wave. RSIs are split. That means that they're losing strength or don't have a lot of strength here on the move to the downside. And if we are then moving to the upside and the RSIs are coming together, that will be nice, because then our scenario of bouncing off from the golden pocket, going to new highs, RSIs coming together, gaining strength, money flow coming back in, momentum wave going higher, that would be just perfect, and another perfect piece of our puzzle in the trading range where we are in right now. On the hourly, I'm not gonna lie guys, it doesn't look that good. We have the money flow here just slowly curving further down. These momentum waves, it doesn't look like they're sharply want to go back up again. Also here the RSIs are together. Usually then they stay here a little bit in these ranges, if it is the bottom or it is the top. So I don't expect a sudden quick move to the upside unless there is really something that surprises us in the market. But to be honest, I'm not really expecting it. So it's a little bit difficult. Then let's quickly zoom into the 15 minute in case you're really day trading. Interesting to see is that the price here is flat. You know what, let me extend this a little bit. The price here is flat, but the RSIs are splitting. So yeah, they're losing strength, but on which side? The bull side or the bear side? That's a little bit hard. Here the money flow is very ugly if you're asking me. Just fat in the red, shall we say. So it's hard here to choose a side. I'm also right now not touching anything, just waiting till New York opens. Then we'll probably see some volatility, and then I'm choosing a side for an extra long or a short. Alright guys, that will be it for now. So all eyes on the price is first New York open. You know what kind of levels I'm looking out for, but most likely everyone is looking at tomorrow Federal Reserve FOMC meeting. And of course, if there's anything interesting coming out, then I will update you as soon as possible. In the meantime, as always, I'm going to ask you to smash that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think it's useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, where I update you in the meantime, where I post multiple times per day. So definitely don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much. Good luck out there and see you in the next one. Bye bye.